I'm going to tell you right now that charging a flat fee for consulting services doesn't work. As someone who's worked on hundreds of design projects in a variety of ways and made enough money already to retire, I'm giving you my pricing strategy that I use to get paid for all of my time on a design project. So let me know if this sounds familiar. You estimate the time that it will take you to complete a project, thinking that you've carefully considered every aspect of the design and the work that's required to do the job. The client agrees to your flat fee. You sign the contract, collect payment for your invoice, and you commence the project. Brilliant. You are organized and you are in control. The design plans are approved. You've started purchasing products, trades show up on site, but it isn't long until you realize very little is actually in your control once the project is underway. There are so many unknown, so many variables, unexpected surprises, additional minor revisions, little hiccups, damaged materials, things that you could have never seen coming. Before you know it, you're playing a reactive role. You're responding to one delightful mishap after another. And by the time you get a moment to breathe, you realize that you are basically working for pennies. The easiest and most efficient way to eliminate this chaos from your life is to introduce a hybrid model. So this is where you charge a flat fee for your design plans and then bill hourly for a service like designer by your side when you're getting into the implementation phase. You manage clients' expectations up front with starting from fees for a specific amount of initial hours, depending on the scope of work and how much of an active role that the clients wish to play within the project, right? So be firm and be fair with how you bill for your time. With every minute spent on the project, you are getting them closer and closer to the finish line with confidence and the assurance, which is why they hired you, that is minimizing mistakes. It's making the best choices. That's why they hired you, all while alleviating, the stress. All right, so let's do some quick math here. Okay, this is really important because when I say this to designers and when I'm coaching them, they are always shocked at how these numbers can add up. So let's say you charge $150 per hour. And let's say that on a project, over each week, you're not charging for 3 hours. There's an estimated 3 hours that you're driving to and from site visits or to vendors' showrooms. You're replying to emails in addition to having various conversations with the trades. Now that 3 hours every week at $150 an hour adds up to $450 a week. If I do the math correctly, that works out to $2,000 a month, which is $24,000 per year. If you bill $200 an hour, then obviously it's going to be a lot more. So please get clear on how you bill and accurately track your time, even when you do a flat fee. I know it's tedious, nobody loves it, but it's a must. All of these hours on, like I said, what may seem like simple tasks are necessary to push the project forward. And remember, it is super important though to manage your clients' expectations. This is why I always encourage you to review contracts in person so that you can openly discuss how you benefit a project, the way that you bill, so there are no surprises. If you need interior design contracts, I have templates for you. You can go to interiordesignDocuments.com. That's for designer for a day, designer by your side, and custom design and project management. I'm Claire Jefford, interior design professional, business coach, and I'm here to help you have fewer projects with better clients and make more money. Happiness over hustle always. I'll see you next time. Cheers.